A very good evening to all of you. Today we will start our class with a thought, and the thought is the expert in anything was once a beginner. Now we start our practice set, and the first question of practice set that is related with the topic geometry. The question is the angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 1, ratio 2, ratio 3 and ratio 6. Find the difference between largest and smallest angle. The angles of a quadrilateral. We know that in a quadrilateral there are four sides. Quadri means four and lateral means side. So the structure or the figure that contains four sides and four angles is known as quadrilaterals. The angles of quadrilateral are in the ratio 1, ratio 2, ratio 3, ratio 6. We know that the sum of sides of a or angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Means x plus second 2x plus third angle 3 means 3x, and our last angle that is 6, so its value is equal to 6x is equal to 360 degree. It is the sum of angles of a quadrilateral. The total value is equal to 360 degree. Now 6, 3, 9, 9, 2, 11 and 1, 12. 12x equal to 360 degree. Now x equal 360 degree upon 12. So x equals 30 degree. The value of x is 30 degree. Now the angles of quadrilateral, first angle is 1, that means 30 degree, 32 is 60 degree, 33 is 90 degree and 36 is 180 degree. These are the values of all angles of quadrilateral. So our question card, find the difference between largest and smallest angle. Largest angle 180 degree and smallest angle 30 degree. So difference of both means 150 degree. It is our final answer. It is the difference between largest and smallest angle, 150 degree. Now our second question, that is from the topic profit and loss percent. A man sold a car at 8% loss. Had he sold it for rupees 27,000 more, he would have gained 1%. Find the cost price of the car. %, loss at first. A man sold a car at 8% loss. Second, had he sold it for rupees 27,000 more, he would have gained 1%. Means at first he would find 8% loss. Means the value in negative, and now he would gain 1% profit. Means the value it is contains plus sign. So 8 and now 1. 8% plus 1%. Total value is 9%. It is equal to rupees 27,000. 9% equal to 27,000. So 1% equal to 3,000. 1% equal to 3,000. So we take 100%. 100% equals 3000 into 100. 3000 into 100 means 100% equals 3 lakh rupees. Rupees 3 lakh. It is the cost price of the car. Rupees 3 lakh. Now our third question, that is from the topic triangle. Each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is half the third angle. Find the angles of triangle. The topic is from isosceles triangle. That is a type of triangle on the basis of side. We know that on the basis of side there are three types of triangle: equilateral, isosceles and scalene. And it is from the topic isosceles triangle. The triangle in which two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. Each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is half the third angle. Let third angle equal 2x. Third angle 2x, and the two equal angles are half of this. So two equal angles. Half of this means x comma x. X and 2x. And this value is equal to 180 degree, means x plus x plus 2x equals 180 degree, means 4x equals 180 degree. So x equals 180 upon 4, means this is equal to 45 degree. X equals 45 degree. Find the angles of triangle. X equal 45 means two equal angles are 45 and 2x equals 90 degree. So angles are 45 degree and 90 degree. These are the values of angles of triangle: 45 and 90 degree. Our fourth question, in a right angle triangle, length of two sides are 6 cm and 4.5 cm. Find the length of its longest side. The triangle is type of right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, this is perpendicular. This is called perpendicular. This is hypotenuse and this is base. The value of perpendicular equals 90 degree, means it contains your draws 90 degree. The value of two sides are given. Let it is equal to 6 cm and it is equal to 4.5 cm. Find the length of its longest side. The hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle. It is longest side. So here a formula that is known as Pythagoras theorem. From or by Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem says that hypotenuse square h square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. It is Pythagoras theorem. The value of square of hypotenuse is equal to the square of perpendicular plus square of base. Now the value of perpendicular 6. So 6 square plus value of base is 4.5. 4.5 square equal to h square. 6 square equal to 36 plus 4.5 square. It is equal to 20.25. Now h square equals 36 plus 20, 56.25 centimeter square. It is the value of hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse equals, we take square root of this value 56.25 centimeter square. So now we find square root of this number 56.25 by division method or by prime factorization method. So it is equal to 7.5 centimeter. It is the value of hypotenuse. The square of 75, 49, 5 square 25 and 70. 5, 2, 6, 5, 6, 2, 5. It is the value of this. So hypotenuse equals 7.5 centimeter. That is our final answer. H equals 7.5 centimeter. Now our fifth question. A dealer lists his articles at 20% above the cost price and allows a discount of 10%. Find his gain or loss percent. A dealer lists his articles at 20% above the cost price. So in these type of questions, we always let the cost price equals 100 rupees. Let the CP or cost price equals rupees 100. List his articles at 20% above the cost price. So list price or mark price. Mark price is also known as list price. Mark price equals 20% above the cost price. Means rupees 100 and its 20% equals 20 equals rupees 120. It is the mark price or list price of the article. At last, allow a discount of 10%. Discount 10%. 10% discount. We know that always we count discount on mark price or discount is given on mark price. So 120 into 10% discount means 100 minus 10 upon 100. 10% discounts means 100 minus 10 upon 100. So 120 into 100 minus 10, 90 upon 100. 20 from numerator, denominator will be cancelled and the value is equal to 108 rupees. It is our final answer, rupees 108. Thank you for watching.